What's up, people? Kedrick here. We're going to do a quick unboxing of the Apple Pencil Generation 1. Let's get right to it. All right, let me just give you a quick tour around the box. Your classic Apple packaging. Alright, so now this one is a little bit different because it doesn't have the pull tab. So I have to break the plastic somehow. Something I normally never need with an Apple unboxing, but alright. I do have the pull tab on the side to pull the slide the box out. So this is again very similar to the Apple Pencil Generation 2 unboxing. So you have your, okay, so this is a little bit different. So you have an extra tip. Oh, okay, so you have a lightning to lightning adapter. Okay, so this Generation 1 does not support wireless charging, so you actually have to either charge it in the iPad or you can use that adapter to charge it up with your actual cable. And you have your instruction manual that no one ever reads. Throw that to the side. Let's get to the actual pencil. Alright, so my first impressions is this seems a little bit bigger than the second gen. Let me grab it real quick. So this is the Apple Pencil second generation compared to, yeah, it is a lot bigger compared to the first gen. So you can see it's longer, feels like it's thicker, and it also feels like it's heavier. So I also did an unboxing of the Apple iPencil Generation 2, as well as this $30 Apple Pencil that I got from Amazon, which is pretty good. I'll leave a link in the description for all of these. So I will be doing a comparison between all three of these. So this cap comes off and you stick this in the bottom of your iPad to charge it, which looks like, in my opinion, was a bad design, because I can see this breaking off inside the iPad. Let me grab an iPad to see. So you either had to actually stick it in like that to charge it, which is kind of awkward. Looked like it would break off. You bump it wrong, you hit it wrong, feel like it would break. But let's hope that's not the case. Oh, so I believe that's magnetic. Yeah, the cap is magnetic. So that's cool. I guess it'll stop you from losing it. Alright, so that's going to be the end of this video. I appreciate y'all watching this long. If you like content like this, think about dropping us a like and subscribing. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.